Welcome to the imported Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. Correct, we can unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the really good result for the face unlock feature. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the fingerprint, than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.